Hi, today we're at Canyon Trails in Goodyear, Arizona, and behind me is our newest listing. Let's go take a look. This charming residence offers a perfect blend of comfort and style with its 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and spacious 1,950 square foot floor plan. As you enter, you're greeted by the wonderful flow of the split floor design, creating an inviting atmosphere for both entertaining and relaxation. The living room and bedrooms have newer carpeting, providing a cozy and luxurious feel underfoot, and the newly stained cabinets give the kitchen a modern look. But that's not all. Embrace the eco-friendly lifestyle with the added bonus of solar panels, ensuring not only a reduction of your carbon footprint, but also significant energy savings. With its single-level layout, this home offers convenience and accessibility for every member of the family. However, it's not just the home you'll enjoy, but also the community itself. With a community pool and gym, there's plenty to do outside your home. Canyon Trails consists of numerous lots and a variety of home styles. The Loop 303 and Interstate 10 allow for easy travel to downtown Phoenix and nearby restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. Estrella Mountain Regional Park is also nearby and provides incredible trails and beautiful city views. Other attractions close to Canyon Trails include the Goodyear BMX Raceway, Goodyear Ballpark for spring training, and Roscoe Dog Park. If you'd like to be a part of this wonderful community, contact the Ryan Group today. For a private showing or more information, contact me today.